Did you know that the most compelling Google ads can fall flat because of a sucky landing page? Today, I'm going to be revealing the magic behind creating what a great landing page for a Google ads is going to look like. I'm going to reveal the magic behind creating a top-notch landing page that's going to allow your Google ads to perform better. This is a secret that you can use to actually supercharge your Google ads performance because of all the AI and artificial learning that Google is currently using for their ads. Having a landing page that is tailored exactly to what you're advertising has to be totally in line in order for your Google ads to perform. So if your ads don't seem to be ranking at top of page, or if you're actually getting a high click-through rate but very low conversions, this all stems back to not having a great landing page and having some misalignment in it. If you stick around to the very end, I'm going to give you a secret hack to have a company that can audit your landing page to show you exactly what you need to do in order to improve them. Number one is the importance of matching the messaging. Have you ever clicked on an ad and it has nothing to do with what you actually were reading in the ad copy, and there's total misalignment and it's not giving you what you want? I guarantee you instantly distrusted that company, and you probably already, just from that misalignment, think that they may not be a good company, you know what I mean? And just from having that misalignment on what the actual landing page delivers on is going to cause you to lose trust with them. So I'm going to show you an example right here. Going back to my niche of real estate here, as you can see, I typed in waterfront homes for sale in Kelowna. I go and click on one of the ads, and it's showing me condos that are nowhere near. These properties are right in the middle of downtown, nowhere near the lake or waterfront. Okay, you got one there. But when I click and I go here, you want to make sure on the fold of your website, that's where they don't have to scroll. They see exactly what they want. And because I didn't see anything related to waterfront homes before the fold, I ended up clicking off on their ad. That's what has me talking about the misalignment of actual landing pages and how this can be detrimental. I clicked on it, didn't give me what you want, so I clicked off. Now I want to show you an example of what an actual great landing page is and some of the key features of what every landing page needs. I'm sure everyone who's watching this on YouTube knows Neil Patel. He's definitely the GOAT when it comes to this stuff. And I just want to show you how effective his landing page is. Step number one is you want to grab the person's attention with images and great headlines. So this ads grader here is a company that he has that grades your Google ads to tell you exactly how they're performing and gives you free analysis on the data. So right out there, are your ads bringing in ROI? It's a great question. So you can ask yourself, are they bringing in as much ROI as you'd like? It has a picture of him, which he is a really well-known face and tied to marketing heavily. Next thing I want to touch on is simplicity. Like, this is not busy. You know exactly what to do. Get your free analysis here. And before the fold, he has a great caption. Stop wasting money on ads that don't work. The next really key detail on your landing page is the call to action. What am I actually looking for? Well, I signed up on here because I wanted to get free analysis on how my Google ads were performing. So free Google Ads Performance Grader, enter your website here and get your free analysis. So the call to action is very simple and concise, and it's right there in the main stage of the page. The next thing that you want to be cautious of, something to add to supercharge your landing page, is having a few testimonials or some social proof on whatever your landing page is doing and how you solve people in similar positions with actual reviews from there. A lot of landing page, you can tie your Google reviews directly to them so it shows up. And this is something that I always recommend people do in order to get their landing page to convert higher. The next thing you need to consider is the checkout process. How many clicks does it take for the person to get exactly what they want? If I were to go back to Ads Grader here, it's literally one click. You enter your website and you get exactly what you're looking for. This checkout process is super simple and it delivers on you in one click. So if you're someone that's struggling with your Google ads and they're not performing and producing a high enough return on your investment, and you're at the point of almost wanting to cancel your Google ads, or if you're someone that you think your ads can perform better, I can guarantee that landing page misalignment would be step one that you need to dive in to make sure that this is aligned with exactly what you're wanting to sell on Google. And all the functions of your landing page are very simple. You have a call to action. It has a simple checkout process. And just like I said at the start of the video, I was going to show you a website that can instantly tell you exactly how to make your website better. And this is Crazy Egg. So you just once again put in your URL. It'll show you a heat map. It'll show you exactly recordings on how you can actually improve your landing pages, and gives you traffic analysis, gives you goals, gives you stats, gives you heat maps, gives you errors. It is an amazing, amazing landing page just in itself right here. There's nowhere else to scroll. All you got to do is put it in right there and enter your information. For the people that their Google ads aren't performing the way that they wanted, and they think that they can get a higher return on their investment, and you'd like for me and my team to take over your Google ads and make sure they start performing, actually leading to you getting a return on your investment, well, go in the description of this video and go to the Google form there, fill it out. We'll see if you match the criteria on some that we would be wanting to partner with, and then we'll reach out to give you a call.